Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Busha from YouTubers by Busha. Those who are new, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to create a brown smoky eye look, but especially I will like to show you the eye makeup today. So why brown smoky eye? Because we are from dusky skin zone, Indian skin tone people, so brown smoky eye literally complement our skin tone, and it's a very friendly, or you can say a global eye makeup what you can carry with any kind of costume, any kind of color. So as I don't know like which color you have chosen for your Eid, that's why it's a safe eye makeup what you can carry with your Eid dress. So that's why, and yes, if you're interested, then without doing any further ado, let's get into the video. I have cleaned my face and now I'm going to start my eye makeup. First I'm going to prime my lid, and I'm using Makeup Revelation Conceal Perfect Concealer in the shade C8. It's a neutral undertone concealer, and with the help of a flat concealer brush I'm going to prime my lid. Off camera I have done my eyebrows. If you're interested to watch an eyebrow tutorial, I have uploaded already on my YouTube channel. Link will be mentioned on my description box. Please check that out. And recently I have uploaded tutorial on how to trim your eyebrows at home. You can check that video as well. So yeah, now let's start the eye makeup. A MAC Compact to conceal my concealer. For my eye makeup, today I'm using this Through My Eyes Colourpop eyeshadow palette. It's a beautiful palette, guys, where you can find some various kind of eyeshadow like brown, pink, golden, coffee, different kind of shade, and you can create so many eye makeup. So from this palette, first I'm going to take this euphoric peach undertone, this orange kind of a color. This one, I'm using this color as my transition color. And I will blend this Wild Soul yellow kind of a color with this orange color. Now I'm going to take this purely coffee color Divina, this one, and I'm going to use my pencil brush just to have a good payoff. I'm going to wet my brush with this setting spray. I'm going to apply a little bit of black eyeshadow with this coffee color. Now with help of a blending brush, that brush what I used for that orange color, I'm going to blend my edges because there is a no harsh line. Now from this palette I'm taking this Muse, or you can say Mousse, this one, this dusty gold kind of a color, and I'm going to apply this color on my central part of lid. Wow, I'm so happy. It's looking beautiful. Now I'm going to apply this Benefit eyeliner, pen eyeliner. It's very easy to apply, so that's why I'm using this one. Now off camera I'm going to wear my lashes. Now I'm going to complete my base makeup behind the camera quickly, because it's all about the eye makeup tutorial and my eye makeup is not done yet. I will complete my rest of my eye makeup after completing my base makeup, so I will come back soon, and till then keep on watching. Okay guys, my base makeup is done. Now I'm going to complete my rest of the eye makeup. So first I'm going to apply a nude kajal on my lower lash line. Wet n Wild nude kajal. Now I'm taking this kind of a brush, and I'm going to take this beautiful emerald green color from this palette, just to give a little bit of color in this brown smoky eye look. I'm going to add this yellow shade, this one, and I will blend it with this green one. I'm taking this Lucido shadow from this palette, and I'm going to add this eyeshadow on my inner corner. Little bit of mascara, Milani mascara, little bit of. Okay guys, so I have completed my whole look. I have applied this Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Jane. It's a beautiful nude color guys, and exactly after this video I'm going to upload another video on my nude lipstick collection, my current 5 nude lipstick, so stay tuned for that video as well. And now let's talk about this eye makeup. I hope you have enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial. You can see like how it's complementing my whole kurti and the look. So if you have enjoyed, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and also hit the bell button that you can have more updates. Guys, for now I'm leaving, but I will come back soon with a brand new tutorial or content. Till then, take care, bye, be happy, stay healthy, and please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I think Facebook and Instagram handle ID is already shown on the screen. Please follow me there. So I love you all.